So to set up this phone, you need to open it up.
Aside from my soul.
Now you can watch it like this, or you can open it up and it continues to flow into whatever the video is playing without any lag. So the material is a polyamide material that they use for the screen. It is flexible. There will be 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cameras if you do your math right.
I think it's all angels just walk by. Aside from my soul.
And that's my first hold of the Galaxy Fold, which is the first commercially available in-folding phone. Now, once you get your hands on it, you'll be so tempted to unfold and fold it and unfold and fold it. And if you hold it this way, the grip is really good, secure, because in the folded mode, it is quite narrow. But once you open it up, you have to hold it this way. And there's no way you can maneuver the phone with one hand. As you can see, it's not that easy. So you really need 2 hands to move things around, and that will be my challenge, getting used to how to hold a phone with a new form factor. And I think that will be your challenge too.